I'm gonna try to give you all some more snapshots into my life. Because I am not always dressed up in fancy, fun outfits. Like, literally, that is 5% of my life. But it's a fun 5% that I love so much. But this is what I'm like normally. I am a normal human being with normal human being struggles and stuff. I'm just waking up after scrolling on TikTok for an hour, as I do every morning. I'm still tired. Here's my kitty cat. Her name is Ani. Over there on the chair, you can see her scratch marks. Cause, she doesn't like the scratch post I give her. Next to my bed here, I'm on my bed by the way. This is my basket full of like my blankets and pillows and stuff. For when I fold my bed up to make content, I put everything there to keep it all contained and not all over the place. Over there is my computer setup. I have a nice couple of monitors. It's still pretty new to me, so yeah. That cherry blossom picture in the background, I drew that myself in Photoshop. It is my masterpiece. I don't think I'll ever be able to draw anything better in my entire life, but that's okay, because I'm in love with it. Here's my nightstand. I keep my water here. I should take that glass down. Got medications over there, and my loop earplugs for when I'm asleep. But yeah, that's my room. It's very much lived in. It is not Instagram ready. But, you know, that's life. I think it would be kind of weird if I didn't have any kind of personality in my room anyway, so yeah.